Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Razorpay account, guys. So first things first, you want to go to the Razorpay website and just click on get started, okay? Then now they're going to start asking you for your contact details. First things first, you have to enter your 10-digit mobile number and click on send OTP. Once you receive that OTP, just type it in here or click a resend OTP. If you haven't received one yet and when the timer runs down, you can do that. And just click on submit OTP, okay? And then just enter your name, click on continue. And then next, it's going to ask you if it's your first time setting up payments, or you can say, no, it's my first time setting up payments. So if you've never set up payments before, you can do that. Otherwise, you can say, yes, I've set up payments previously. So if you have done no, you can say, where do you plan to collect Razorpay for collecting your payments? And you can also select multiple options actually if they're relevant, or you can click on others as an option, and then you have to add like a description. Then you just press continue. Okay. So if you select a website or app, you have to add your website or app link, okay? And then you have to click continue, or you can just do add later to put the details in afterwards, but you can put it in now. And then next, they're going to ask you for your type of business, okay? It's an individual business, a registered business, like a proprietorship, a partnership, private limited company. You can choose your option that's applicable to you, okay? And once you do that, just click on continue, and now they're going to ask you the PAN number. Okay, the business or PAN number, just do that and continue. When you click on continue after you enter this, Razorpay will actually verify these details with the central PAN database, so make sure this is correct, okay? Okay, then just press continue to confirm, and then they're going to ask you to confirm your name because they have checked from the database. So now you have to confirm. The name has to be correct, guys. If not, you can do edit PAN and put the correct PAN. Just press continue. And then you have to put in the registered name of your business, okay? It should be exact name as the one on your business documents. It is very important. If you've done that, then you just click continue, and then you can just put in your brand name, guys. So here we're gonna put in our brand name that customers might recognize, okay? So the one registered is different, and the brand name could be different, or it could be the same, okay, guys? It doesn't have to be different. It could be the same if that's what your customers know you as, but there are other businesses that have a different registered legal entity name and they have another brand name, okay? So just press continue after putting your brand name. And then they're gonna tell you to enter your email address to receive updates. Just press continue and then we'll click on review your details and just press done, okay? Now next, actually, you're gonna have to start completing KYC, okay? So you need to do this to start receiving payments with Razorpay. So this is what you have to do, guys. So click on complete KYC and then just click on update details when you come here. Okay. Now here, guys. So you're gonna have to put in your identity proof here, guys. You're gonna have to give either your Aadhaar card or you have to upload it manually. You can share like the details, just details, and then you're gonna verify with your mobile number. You're gonna verify using the OTP. So you're gonna have to do that, put in the identity proof. You can put Aadhaar card, you can put passport, voter ID. Okay, there's many different options, so you can do that. And then guys, you have to select the policy pages for your business, okay? You want to review the fields and edit if this is required. And then just click on create policy pages. Then you're gonna have to review the pages and click public page with Razorpay, okay guys? That's pretty much it, guys. So when you have the business category, you want to select the relevant business category. Okay, so for example, for e-commerce, it's education services, financial services. Choose something that's relevant to you, or you can choose a subcategory actually. So depending on what works for you. So and then just click on submit KYC, guys, and your team will actually review the information. Usually in 3 to 4 working days, it takes them to complete the review process, and then you can start receiving payments, guys. So you're gonna be able to accept up to 5 lakhs in your Razorpay account. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's literally that simple. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, guys, after you do the KYC, actually, you're gonna have no limits on your account, but before you do the KYC one, you're gonna have up to 5 lakhs. So this video helps. Make sure you like, comment, and of course, make sure you